Hello, fan collectors. Braxton Vintage Fan Man here. So what you see here is a Nutone Proline, safer made. I've been on a hunt for one of these because you guys may remember when I got that pan brown Dayton from that place called Mark's Feed Store. The one out in one of the ones like that, the one that had that Proline, Westinghouse, and that Dayton. Well, as some of you may recall, I got that Dayton from there. The Proline got trashed, and right here I got one to replace it. So, see, the canopy's off that Dayton, but that actually went to Cormac. Yeah, this is on a Nutone 4-speed control. So I figured because I got two of those, I figured I'd try one on it. It's an okay range of speeds, but it could be better. I'll show you that in a little bit. But yeah, this is my first Proline. So, and this is actually and this is the best one, the best version in my opinion, because it's got the curved blades, 56 inches, 3-blade. Yeah. I did change up the canopy due to there being a lot of paint. I don't think you guys can see it. There's paint all over the fan. It was like that when I got it. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. But yeah, there it is. Let's put it on low. It did come with its original mounting. I decided to use a Hunt original type mounting because it actually fits. So, because I can use a hook. So. It does have a hum to it. Can't tell because of the fluorescent light. You can hear it humming now. I know it's hard to. It's kind of actually it's not too bad. It's kind of hard to see without that fluorescent light, but I'll leave it off right now. Makes you think that it's on a solid state, huh? And thanks to Nolan, he was the one that actually sold me this. So, yeah. That's supposed to be on the control. Let's bring it up to medium low. Which is like a medium speed. Bearings are making noise too. Hope I can easily fix that because I got zoom spout. Zoom spout always does the trick. That's medium low. It's a fast medium low. Alright, medium, which is basically like its high speed. So I think high and medium are basically the same thing. There's a little bit of a difference between medium and high. That's medium for you. And high speed. Oh, there's a little bit of a difference. Yeah, when I felt one of these in person, before it got trashed, of course. When I felt one of these at that Mark's Feed Store, before it got trashed and replaced. By the way, all three of them have gotten replaced with modern things. So, but yeah. I don't know if the control is still there though. It makes sense if they replaced it because I don't know. It'd be better if they did it that way. That's high speed. So when you spin down. Bearings are a little stiff, but they're not terrible. It could be worse. Yeah, ever since I saw that one at the Mark's Feed store, I've been wanting one since it got trashed. Because I tried rescuing it from its fate, and it still went to its fate. So sad. But special thanks to Nolan for helping me for letting me have my hands on this. Now, I don't know what year this thing is from. I have to look on top of the motor. If I'm not mistaken, this was Chander's, and then it went to Nolan. Because Chander used to have 3 brown ones at one point. So. Yeah, this is the first of my animation haul for videos. Got quite a haul this year, though. We'll get to some cool stuff in a little bit. Wow, the bearings are in much better shape than I recall. Not recall, but they're in way better shape. Yeah, you can see the bearings are a little tight there. Alright, 0 to high. Yeah, you can hear the motor. Definitely got quite a bit of use of doing that. Well, that's all I got for this video. Hope you all have a good rest of your day, folks. I have more videos coming later of the rest of my haul. But anyways, have a rest of your day, folks, and peace.